Hey guys, VictoriaFigures here, back with another review of More Than Meets the Eye, the Transformers mystery model kit for the 40th anniversary from 1994 to 2024. Yeah, I saw these at Kmart and they were like $12, which is pretty cool. So, and I couldn't say no to it, so I obviously had to grab it. But, yeah. So you can get Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Grimlock, and I believe it's a 1 out of 60 chance of Nemesis Prime. Awesome. I'll have to try get some more of these. Got some stuff on the back. Pretty cool. And then you can get Megatron, Starscream, Soundwave, and a 1 out of 30 chance to get Skywarp. So you'd probably have to buy 60 of these things, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Well, at least 60 to get, roughly 60 to get Nemesis Prime, and roughly 30 to get Skywarp. So that'll be interesting. Yeah, so let's crack it open and see what we get.